So fucking blow those words out the back of your head. I've heard it all and I'm done with that shit. You tell me lies and you get what you get. So blow those fucking words out the back of your head.
This is 4-way Cali Alcatraz, and I'm here today reviewing a KWA Glock 23F, G23F, whatever you want to call it. First thing I'm going to say about this gun is, cool feature is it shoots semi and automatic. You can go semi pistol or Uzi style. Downfall is you only got 23 shots, 23 rounds, so it won't last that long in automatic. It lasts about 2 seconds. It has a metal slide. It has good recoil once you got that green gas in the mag. You fire it. Magazine's metal. Plastic is some kind of really strong plastic, but as you can see, it has a really bright orange tip, and it's really hard to take off. It's almost impossible. What I recommend is spray painting or buying a whole new slide that is comes in black, so you won't ruin the stock. I would suggest you doing, if you're gonna switch to select fire, is you pull back all the way. Or some people, when they don't want to pull back all the way, they pull back a little bit, and then bring the select fire up or down, or to safety. It's a good gun. It shoots about 280 FPS, considering it's the middle version of the Glock, KWA Glock K or KSC Glocks, but has no trademarks whatsoever. It doesn't have the Austria with the G17 or G23, G33. G23 in real life is actually not that common. It's pretty rare. And it's a good gun overall. The way you field trip is take out the mag, pull back, hold it. You might want to hold it because it won't stay back. Bring the lever up. Put it in the middle. This is automatic. This is semi. Automatic. Automatic. Semi. Bring it to the middle. On both sides, it's an ambidextrous thing. It's required for you to push down on both sides at the same time, and then from there release the lever and push forward. And I'm doing it wrong because it's not in the middle, and it comes right off, and that allows you to clean the spring and the barrel, and also to manually adjust the hop up. Other than that, you would want to grease this once in a while, depending on how much you use it, but always lube it so it runs smoothly every time you go out and skirmish. This is a good backup gun. I got a KWA M4, which I haven't done a review on yet, and this is my backup. And it's a review of a Glock 23 from KWA/KSC.